Dear students, welcome to Narayana online digital classes. Today we are going to discuss about some objective questions in compounds of heavy metals, particularly KMnO4, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Okay. First question, fusion of MnO2 with alkali metal hydroxide and an oxidizing agent like KNO3 produces a dark green colored compound X. X disproportionate in a neutral or acidic solution to give Mn containing species Y and Z. Okay, identify the correct statement regarding X, Y and Z. First of all, MnO2. MnO2 is called pyrolusite. It is dark blackish brown colored solid, MnO2. When reacts with alkali metal hydroxide, take that MnO2, manganese dioxide, plus KNO2, KNO3, potassium nitrate, KNO3. In presence of alkali metal hydroxide, 2 moles of KOH. Then potassium manganate, K2MnO4, potassium manganate is formed. Okay, it is in dark green color. Potassium manganate is present in dark green color, plus KNO2, potassium nitrite and H2O. Okay, the dark green colored compound is K2MnO4, potassium manganate. It is X. Okay. Now X disproportionate in a neutral or acidic solution to give amine containing species Y and Z. Take that K2MnO4, potassium manganate. Take 3 moles of potassium manganate. In neutral or acidic solution, I am taking acidic solution, take 4 moles of HCl. Then what happens? It will convert into 2 moles of KMnO4, potassium permanganate. 2 moles of KMnO4, potassium permanganate, plus MnO2, manganese dioxide. MnO2 plus 4 moles of KCl, and 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of H2O. Here X is dark green colored, that compound is potassium manganate, and Y and Z, that Y is potassium permanganate. Z is MnO2, manganese dioxide. Now let us observe some statements about X and Y and Z. In option A, in all Mn in same oxidation state. No, it is not correct. Here X is potassium manganate. Here plus 6 is oxidation number of manganese. Here KMnO4 manganese plus 7 is oxidation number. In MnO2 plus 4 is oxidation number of manganese. So plus 6, plus 7 and plus 4. Not having same oxidation number. That's why this statement is wrong. In Y and Z, one is red colored compound. No. Here K2MnO4, it is in dark green color. KMnO4, it is in purple color. And MnO2, it is blackish brown color. In these 3 compounds, no compound in red color. That's why It is a wrong statement. Among Y and Z, one is also prepared by electrolytic reduction of X. No, it is not correct. Electrolytic oxidation of X. K2MnO4, aqueous K2MnO4. On electrolysis of aqueous K2MnO4, it is ionized into 2 moles of K plus MnO4 2 minus. Aqueous means water also present. That water 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of H2O is ionized into 2H plus 2OH minus. 2H plus 2OH minus. Here cations. Here cations are moved towards cathode in electrolysis. Anions. Here MnO4 2 minus and OH minus. These are anions. Anions are moved towards anode. At cathode, H2 gas is liberated. At cathode, H2 gas is liberated. At anode, 2 moles of MnO4 2 minus loses 2 electrons and turns into 2 moles of MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 2 electrons. Okay, at anode, MnO4 minus ion is produced. That MnO4 minus combined with K plus to form KMnO4. So during electrolyte oxidation, not reduction, loss of electrons, undergoes oxidation. But it is given electrolytic reduction of X. That is not correct. Electrolytic oxidation, that is correct. This one is wrong statement. In X, anion has tetrahedral structure. In X, K2MnO4. Okay. In that anion is MnO4 2 minus. Okay, manganate ion, MnO4 2 minus. It is in tetrahedron shape. Mn, single bond O minus, double bond O, single bond O minus. Okay, it is in tetrahedron shape, and manganese hybridization is D3S hybridization, not sp3. According to spectroscopic studies, D3S hybridization. Now, which one is correct? In X, that anion MnO4 2 minus is in tetrahedral structure. Then option D is correct. Okay. Next question. Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent is used to detect olefinic double bond is. Cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 is called Bayer's reagent. Okay. Cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 is called Bayer's reagent, which is used to test for unsaturation. Okay, double bonded compounds and triply bonded compounds are called unsaturated compounds. Okay, here KMnO4, when treating with those doubly bonded compounds, for example, take that alkene, CH2 double bond CH2, take ethene, is treat with cold dilute alkaline KMnO4, H2O, KMnO4 oxidizing agent. Dilute means H2O. Alkaline KMnO4. That is called Bayer's reagent. Okay. Then ethylene glycol is formed. CH2 single bond OH, single bond, CH2 single bond OH. Okay. The purple color of KMnO4 will be disappear. When Bayer's reagent cold dilute alkaline KMnO4 is treating with unsaturated compounds, the purple color of KMnO4 will be disappear. That is test for unsaturation. Here glycol is formed. Okay. Here Bayer's reagent used to, here 1% alkaline KMnO4 solution is the Bayer's reagent. Next question. 1 mole of Fe2 plus ions are oxidized to Fe3 plus ions with the help of an acidic medium. Ferrous ions are converted into ferric ions. Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus by loss of 1 electron. Here N factor is equal to modulus of product side charge 3 minus reactant side charge 2. N factor is equal to 1. Okay. In acidic medium, potassium permanganate, KMnO4. In acidic medium, in presence of H2SO4, changed into manganese sulfate, MnSO4, Mn2 plus. In manganese sulfate, Mn2 plus. Here KMnO4, Mn oxidation number is +7. Now N factor is equal to modulus of product state charge here 2 plus 2 minus reactant side charge oxidation number 7 is equal to 5. So N factor of KMnO4 is 5 and N factor of ferrous to ferric is 1. Okay, now write like this. KMnO4 at one side, that ferrous ion Fe2 plus in another side. Here KMnO4 N factor value is 5. Fe2 plus N factor value is 1. Now apply criss-cross method. Then 1 mole of KMnO4 reacts with 5 moles of Fe2 plus ferrous converted into Fe3 plus ferric. Okay. Now 1 mole of Fe2 plus ions are oxidized to Fe3 plus ions with the help of an acidic medium. How many moles of KMnO4 is required? Here 5 moles of Fe2 plus for oxidation. 1 mole of KMnO4 is required. Now 1 mole of Fe2 plus to convert into Fe3 plus. Then how many moles of KMnO4 is required? Then 1 by 5. 1 by 5 moles of KMnO4 is required. Each and every time balanced equation is not required. In this way, we can identify the number of moles participating in the chemical reaction. Okay. Next question. KMnO4 plus HCl gives X. Here X is KMnO4 potassium permanganate. 2 moles of KMnO4 reacts with 10 moles of HCl. 10 moles of HCl plus 3 moles of H2SO4 in presence of acidic medium. Then MnSO4, 2 moles of MnSO4 plus K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus 5 moles of Cl2 and 8 moles of H2O. 8 moles of H2O. That is a balanced equation. Here KMnO4, acidified KMnO4 reacts with HCl. Here Cl2 gas is evolved. Cl2 chlorine gas evolved. The chlorine gas color is greenish yellow color gas. Okay, that's why option C is correct. Here X is Cl2 gas. Its color is greenish yellow color. Okay, then option C is correct. Next question. The oxo ion which contains all equivalent MO bonds. The oxo ion which contains all equivalent MO bonds. First one CrO4 2 minus, chromate ion. Cr, single bond O minus, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O minus. That is CrO4 2 minus. Okay. It is participating in the resonance. It is participating in the resonance like this. Then Cr double bond O, here single bond O minus, double bond O, single bond O minus. Due to that kind of resonance, all CrO bonds are equal, same. We can write like this. Here Cr, single bond O, single bond O, single bond O, single bond O. All bonds, all CrO bonds gets double bond character in resonance. CrO4 2 minus. Okay? In CrO4 2 minus, all bonds are same kind. Just like that, MnO4 minus, permanganate ion, Mn double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O minus. That is MnO4 minus. Here also due to resonance, all MO bonds, MO means MnO, those bonds gets partial double bond character. We can write like this. Mn, single bond O, single bond O, single bond O, single bond O. All MnO bonds gets double bond character minus. All bonds are same type. Next, Cr2O7 2 minus, dichromate ion. Cr single bond O minus, double bond O, double bond O, single bond O. Here Cr, single bond O minus, double bond O, double bond O. That is Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay. Here bond angle is 126 degrees. Cr bond angle is 126 degrees. Here all these six CrO bonds are same kind. Because of resonance, this lone pair migrates in between chromium and oxygen, and at the same time, this pi bond migrates towards oxygen. This side also, this lone pair migrates between chromium and oxygen. At the same time, this pi bond migrates on oxygen atom. In that way, all these six CrO bonds, MO bonds are participating in the resonance. But the CrO, these bonds are not participating in the resonance. That's why these two bonds are different from these two bonds, these six bonds. These two bonds are different from these six bonds are. Here all six CrO bonds are same kind, equal. But these two CrO bonds are different. We can write like this. Cr, single bond O, single bond O, single bond O, O, Cr, single bond O, single bond O. All these oxygen atoms, CrO bonds gets double bond character. 2 minus, you can write like this. Okay. Now, all equivalent bond MO bonds, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means option C is correct. Okay. Next question. MnO4 minus, permanganate ion, X moles of electrons, MnO4 2 minus, MnO4 2 minus, Y moles of electrons in acidic medium, Mn2 plus, Z moles of electrons in neutral medium, MnO2. First of all, identify the oxidation numbers. Here MnO4 minus plus 7 is oxidation number of manganese in that MnO4 minus. MnO4 2 minus plus 6 is oxidation number. The change in oxidation number is 1 only. Number of electrons gained only 1. Means we can write like this. MnO4 minus plus 1 mole of electron and turns into MnO4 2 minus. Next, MnO4 minus in acidic medium, Mn2 plus. Here plus 7 is oxidation number of manganese. Here plus 2 is oxidation number of manganese. Now change in oxidation number is 5. Means it gained 5 electrons. In acidic medium, MnO4 minus gain 5 moles of electrons and turns into Mn2 plus ion. Next, in neutral medium, here plus 7 is oxidation number of manganese. Here plus 4 is oxidation number of manganese in MnO2. Okay. Now change in oxidation number is 3. That means MnO4 minus gain 3 moles of electrons and turns into MnO2. Then XYZ 1, 5, 3. Then option B is correct. Okay. Next question. KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in acidic medium. The number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed to react with 1 mole of sulfide ions in acidic solution. KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Okay, oxidizing agent. You know that in acidic medium, he asking about number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed to react with 1 mole of sulfide ions. Potassium permanganate, KMnO4 plus H2S, sulfide ion. Here S minus 2, sulfide. Otherwise Na2S, sodium sulfide. Take anyone, no problem. In presence of acidic medium, H2SO4. Here H2S is changed into sulfur. KMnO4 converts sulfide into sulfur. Okay. Now, in this reaction, KMnO4 is converted into MnSO4. Here Mn oxidation number is plus 2. Here sulfur oxidation number is 0. Here sulfur minus 2. Here Mn oxidation number is plus 7. KMnO4 is converted into MnSO4. Okay. And S2 minus sulfide is converted into sulfur. 0 is the oxidation number. Here plus 7 is oxidation number of manganese. Here plus 2 is oxidation number of manganese. Here N factor is equal to modulus of 2 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 is N factor value of that KMnO4. Here N factor value is equal to product side sulfur charge 0. 0 minus reactant side charge minus of minus 2 modulus is equal to 2. So here N factor is equal to 2. Now once I can write like this, one side KMnO4 potassium permanganate and second side S2 minus sulfide ion. Here N factor is equal to 5. Here N factor is equal to 2. Then apply Criss-Cross method. Apply Criss-Cross method. Then 2 moles of KMnO4, 2 moles of potassium permanganate reacts with 5 moles of sulfide ion. 5 moles of sulfide ion. Now we are asking about 1 mole of sulfide ion. How many moles of that KMnO4? 2 moles, 5 moles sulfide ion. Now 1 mole of sulfide ion, then how many moles of KMnO4? 2 by 5 moles of KMnO4. Then option A is correct. Once observe here. 2 moles, 5 mole. Okay. Now 1 mole of S2 minus. How many moles of KMnO4? Then a 2 by 5 is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Next question. When Ki is added to KMnO4 in acidic medium, the observation is potassium iodide, KMnO4, potassium permanganate plus Ki, potassium iodide in presence of acid, acidic medium. Okay. Here KMnO4 is converted into MnSO4, manganese sulfate. And Ki is oxidized into I2. KMnO4 is undergoes reduction. Here +7 to +2 undergoes reduction, acts as oxidizing agent. Here iodine, here -1 to 0, increase in oxidation number, undergoes oxidation, acts as reducing agent. Here KMnO4 is oxidizing agent and Ki is reducing agent. Both Ki, KMnO4 acts as oxidizing agent. Is wrong. KMnO4 oxidizes Ki into I2. Yes, it is correct. Option B is correct. KMnO4 is weak oxidizing agent than Ki. Ki reducing agent, not oxidizing agent. KMnO4 acts as reducing agent in presence of Ki. No, it is wrong. Here KMnO4 always here acts as oxidizing agent. Then option B is correct. Okay. Next question. KMnO4 treatment with ice cold H2SO4 concentrated forms a compound X, which decomposes explosively on heating, forming Y. The X and Y are respectively KMnO4. Take 2 moles of KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Treat with cold condition H2SO4 concentrated. H2SO4, take 2 moles of H2SO4 concentrated, cold condition. Okay, then compound X is formed. That compound is Mn2O7. That compound is Mn2O7 is formed. Manganese heptoxide, Mn2O7 is formed, plus 2 moles of KHSO4, 2 moles of KHSO4 potassium bisulfate, plus 2 moles of H2O. 2 moles of H2O. 1 mole of H2O is formed. Mn2O7 and potassium bisulfate and H2O, only 1 mole H2O is formed. Okay. Mn2O7 is explosive, explosively decomposed into MnO2, 2 moles of MnO2 plus 3 by 2 moles of O2. Once again, KMnO4 treatment with H2SO4 concentrated in cold condition, then Mn2O7 is formed. Okay, along with that 2 moles of potassium bisulfate and 1 mole H2O is formed, and Mn2O7 explosively decomposes to form MnO2 and 3 by 2 moles of O2. He asking about X and Y. Yes, your compound X is Mn2O7, Y is MnO2. Then option A is correct. Okay. Next question. Pyrolusite Pyrolusite ore on oxidation with KClO3 or KNO3 in basic medium produces dark green colored compound A, which on electrolysis produces a purple colored compound B. The purple colored compound can be crystallized to deep purple rhombic prisms. It shows different reactions in different mediums. Excess of compound B on heating with H2SO4 concentrated gives an explosive oil C, which on heating decomposes to give another compound D along with oxygen. First of all, let us find out what are A, B, C, D. Pyrolusite, MnO2. MnO2, pyrolusite is treating with KClO3 or KNO3, potassium nitrate, in presence of basic medium KOH. First dark green colored K2MnO4, potassium manganate is formed. Potassium manganate is formed. Okay. Which on electrolysis produces a purple colored compound B. You know that during electrolysis of aqueous K2MnO4, then KMnO4, potassium permanganate is formed. Here KMnO4, potassium permanganate is formed. Here compound A is K2MnO4. Here compound B is purple colored KMnO4. Okay. Excess of compound B, treatment with H2SO4 concentrated. 2 moles of KMnO4. 2 moles of KMnO4, that compound B reacts with H2SO4 concentrated, 2 moles of H2SO4. Then explosive oil, here Mn2O7 plus 2 moles of KHSO4, 2 moles of KHSO4 potassium bisulfate and H2O is formed. That explosive that compound oil is C is Mn2O7 is C. Okay. Then Mn2O7 on heating decomposes to give another compound D. On heating, it turns into MnO2, 2 moles of MnO2 plus 3/2 moles of O2. Now that compound D is MnO2. Here A is K2MnO4, B is KMnO4, C is Mn2O7 and D is MnO2. This is paragraph type question. You need to remember all these A, B and C and D. A, potassium manganate, B, permanganate, C, Mn2O7 manganese heptoxide and D is MnO2. That is pyrolusite, you know that. Starting compound, whatever we are taking that starting compound, MnO2 also the D. Okay. Now the nature of the compound C is, here C is Mn2O7. Here Mn oxidation number is +7. Generally in oxides, the central atom present in highest oxidation number, it is acidic in nature. That's why that Mn2O7 is acidic in nature. Then option B is correct. And for next questions, we need to remember these A, B and C and D. Okay. Next question. On passing CO2 in the solution of A purple colored solution along with brown precipitate is obtained. On passing CO2 in the solution of A, that A is K2MnO4, potassium manganate. When treating with CO2, carbon dioxide CO2 is acidic in nature. Then a purple color compound is KMnO4, potassium permanganate, plus MnO2, manganese dioxide, plus K2CO3. These compounds are formed. Okay. Next, now disproportionation reaction where oxidation number changes from +6 to +7 and +4. Disproportionation reaction. Here +6 is oxidation number. +6 is oxidation number. Here +7 is oxidation number. Here +4 is oxidation number of manganese. Here same manganese oxidation number increases from +6 to +7, undergoes oxidation. But same manganese oxidation number decreases from +6 to +4, undergoes reduction. You know that the reaction in which same element undergoes oxidation and reduction is called as disproportionation reaction. Okay. A disproportionation reaction where oxidation number of changes from 6 to 7 and 4. That's why option A is correct. So counterproportionation reactions not correct. Actually, the reverse of the disproportionation is called counterproportionation reactions. That is not correct. Then option A is correct. Okay. Next question. Identify D. Identify the D. Here A is K2MnO4, potassium manganate. B is, in that paragraph type question, B is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. And C is Mn2O7, manganese heptoxide. And D is MnO2, manganese dioxide. He asking about D, identify D, then option B is correct. Okay. Next question. When D reacts with PbO2, HNO3 to produce a purple pink colored compound E, identify E. That D, what is a D? D is MnO2. D is MnO2. When reacts with PbO2 in presence of HNO3, then the compound HMnO4 plus PbNO3, this is the equation, PbNO3 taken twice. This compound HMnO4, its name is paramanganic acid. KMnO4 is potassium permanganate. Here HMnO4 is paramanganic acid. Then option C is correct. Okay. Next question. When KMnO4 solution is acidified to acidified oxalic acid solution, added to acidified oxalic acid solution, what happens? KMnO4. Take 2 moles of KMnO4 plus 5 moles of H2C2O4 oxalic acid plus 3 moles of H2SO4 acidified KMnO4, then K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus 2 moles of MnSO4 manganese sulfate plus 10 moles of CO2 plus 5 moles of 8 moles of H2O is formed. So that is a balanced reaction. When KMnO4 reacts with oxalic acid, CO2 is released. Okay. Here what happens? KMnO4, here plus 7. Okay, plus 7. Here MnSO4, here plus 2 is oxidation number. Here plus 7 to plus 2 undergoes reduction. That means here KMnO4 is reduced into Mn2 plus. Okay, plus 7 is plus 2, reduction, decrease in oxidation number. KMnO4 means here MnO4 minus, permanganate ion, is reduced into Mn2 plus, then option A is correct. Okay. This session is completed. Thank you.